Hello everyone, I want to teach you how to create an account on Redbubble step by step. Okay, now go to Redbubble. Okay, so click on sign up and click artist sign up. Fill in your email address and shop name. You cannot change your shop name in Redbubble, so choose a shop name that aligns with use your existing business name, and next you will see the following dashboard. In the setup shop boot, click add in avatar, and in the edit profile page that appears, add a photo of yourself smiling or your brand logo in the avatar section. Okay, so on the same page, in the cover image section, add a cover image that aligns with your avatar or brand in some way. Ensure that your cover image is at least 2400 px and 600 px. Click choose file, then upload. Next, in the profile section, add a bio that describes who you are and what you are offering on Redbubble. Here's an example of my bio, writing your name and where are you from, and writing I joined Redbubble to share some of my photography from my travels, and writing I joined Redbubble to share some of my photography from my travel. You can find my designs on many products including t-shirts, stickers and phone cases. So, and read through everything on the edit profile page to ensure that you are contained with all details, and click the save change button at the end of the page. And to return to the dashboard, click dashboard on the left bar, and in the setup shop boot, click add social link, and in the link to the other sites page appears at some hyperlinks of your social profiles, and click save at the end of the page. Add social profiles reaffirms that you are a real person, which can be important to buyers. Return to the dashboard again. In the get byte board, click confirm your email. This redirects you to the personal details page where you can click resend confirmation email. Go to your email and click on the link from Redbubble to complete this step, and go back to the get paid board and click on add your name and address. Again, will be redirected to the personal details page. Simply fill in your name and address details on the same page. You can also add your Bible details for receiving by mint. Lastly, and in my opinion, the most exciting part, adding products from the dashboard in the create products pod. Click add designs. Okay, now how to add your first design on Redbubble. Step number 1. Gather some designs that you think are suitable for Redbubble. From experience on my Redbubble shop, designers that work on as many products as possible work best, such as buttons and scenery based designs. The example are like duvets, comforters, and shower curtain, and 6480 px, and jigsaws at 9075 and 6201 px. And using the largest HTML as base, export your suitable designs at width of 9075 px at least. If the matching height value of your design is lower than 6480 px, export your design at a separate size for duvets, comforters, and shower curtains. When you have resized your design in Photoshop or other, upload your design and add some details in the add new work page. Add descriptive title for your design, then add about 15 tags that capture any colors and themes related to your design. Also add a short description and click through each of the products to ensure that they are enabled for your design, you might need to click the Edit button to resize your design. Add a different color background, create a pattern, and you may also notice that not all products are enabled for your design. To enable them, click Edit and take the checkbox next to the products. In the Edit area, you can also change the markup from the default 20%. Redbubble works on cost price multiplication. Your markup equals final product price model. And when you have edited and enabled all the products, review the area at the end of the screen to suit you in the default product in your shop area. Depending on your design, you may want to set it specific product that really suits your design. I would recommend keeping the default product as optimized recommended since it is not easy to revert. Click Save Work. In the next page, you can review all your products to ensure that they appear satisfactory. To make further edits, click Edit. To view your products more clearly, click View. When you have added your first design, your profile appears more complete. To view your shop, click your avatar in the top right corner and click View Shop. To add more work, and click Add New Work. To make your profile initially complete, you must add at least 5 new designs. After adding your first 5 designs, your shop should look like the following. And when you return to your dashboard, you will now see a full dashboard set up with different options. Okay, that's all. Don't forget subscribe to my channel and like the video.